Welcome to Nurtech Solution. Today I'm gonna show you how you can upload a video on YouTube according to YouTube guidelines. Okay, so for that reason we need to go to Google, then YouTube, and you need to log in your YouTube account. So you can see right hand side my YouTube channel just in here. So under my channel I need to go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so there we can do everything. So we log in the YouTube Studio. Right now we are on our main page of YouTube Studio. So here we can upload the video and everything. We can do whatever we want just from here. Okay, so we are now uploading a video. You can see just here is set is upload videos. We need to upload video just from here. So this is the option to upload any video in YouTube platform. Okay, so if you want to upload your video, just need to click just in here and it gonna show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all you can see here this box popping up. It said drag and drop video files to upload. So if you want to upload any video, you can drag and drop, or you can select a file as well. So you have two options to upload any video in YouTube. Okay, so you can drag and drop or select. So I'm gonna show you with drag and drop this one. So if you have the mouse, just with the click on the left hand side mouse and just drop in here, something like that. Okay, so it's very easy, drop and drag. Also you can select the video whatever in your computer. You can go to where is your files that you want to upload in here. So then you need to select that one. So suppose I gonna click this one, I need to upload this one. So I gonna select that and you need to upload that. So that's how you can upload a YouTube video from the files. Okay, select the files. So this is the two option you can upload the video. This is the first part of uploading your video. Okay, so then I'm gonna show you what you need to do one by one. Then you will be like able to do everything by yourself. So you can see here you have the options. I already give one of the video to upload it. So then you can see it's uploading. So first you need to put your title. What's the perfect title for your video? Then you have to give your description of your video. Okay, after that you should put like the 3 of the hashtag. If you want you can put more, but doesn't matter. And then you need to put like, you can put your social media link, and then you can put like the thumbnail, whatever is your video thumbnail. You can change it if you like, or also you can download new thumbnail as well. So it's depend up to you, whatever you want. Also what you can do, you can drop and drag your thumbnail as well. So that's option YouTube give as well. Okay, so you can suppose this one I want to upload in here, just I can drop and drag in here. So make sure this photo should be less than 2 megabyte, otherwise YouTube will not take it. So after that is playlist. So whatever you have the playlist, you can select that playlist and then you can done. So that's how your playlist will be created. Okay, then you need to come to show more. So if you come show more, under show more you can see here you should do one by one things. Okay, allow automatically, and then it's tags. You need to put all the tags whatever you want. So it's all should be under related of your video. So don't put like the something is not your related of your video. Then you can put your language, whatever language you are making the video. So suppose you can make in Bengali, you can make it English, you can make it Hindi, American, or like French, or whatever you want. Okay, so you have all kind of option to do that. You can put the recording date and location if you want to, but if you put that on, your hashtag will not pop up under your title. So make sure if you keep that on, it will not show up to your title. Okay, so then you can see the these things you need to tick as well. So that's how they're gonna do like things. And here is like the allow people to sample this content. So I am allowing some people, if they want to get some information from my video, they can do it. Okay, then you need to select the category, what categories video you are making. So you have to select that one. Is very important nowadays. Okay, so my own is education, I put the education. And where is the location, sorry, like the academic system, that's the optional, but I put in Australian because this I am in Australia, that's why I put in Australia. Okay, so you can do that one as well if you like. Then comments and ratings. So under the comment and rating, you can allow all the comments. So I allow all the comments, and you can see the next one, it says sort by I put the top, or you put the newest to oldest, doesn't matter. Okay, show how many viewers like this video, so you can tick this one as well. Then that's how you understand who likes your video, who doesn't like your video as well. Okay, then we need to go to next. When you set up everything, so then you will come to monetization page. If your channel is monetized, if it's not monetized, then doesn't matter. Then you will need to on the monetization. You can see on, just click the on, then you need to press like the done. So when you put the done, it will take monetization on. So what kind of ad is coming to our video? Generally display ad, overlay ads, okay, sponsored card, then skippable video ads and non-skippable video ads. Also one of the another kind of ads that set is like the during video, that means like the middle row ad. So that's coming when your video is longer than 8 minutes. So it should be more than 8 minutes. If less than 8 minutes, it will not come any ad in the middle row. Okay, and you can't put like the middle row video as well. So you can see here is the disable, it not enable. So I'm gonna show you, because this video is only 4 minutes and 12 seconds, something like that. So that's why it is not showing any middle row ad. Okay, it's the option. So I will show you how you can put your middle row ads, and that's how you can earn bit more. That time you can maybe get like the first ad, middle ad and last ad as well. So like after videos you can get that as that ad as well. Okay, so that's how you can earn bit more money. So that's the things. Okay, so for that reason I need to go to my channel again, and I need to go to content. Under the content I need to choose a on video is more than 8 minutes. So this one is look like 8.19 second, 8 minute 19 second. So this one look like good. Then I need to go to monetization. Under the monetization I can see this video is monetization is on and all ad on as well. Okay, you can see here skippable ad, non-skippable. Then here during the video mid row, so it's set by default. So mid row I can put now, because this is a 8 minute 19 second video, so I can put middle row ad. So I gonna go to manage middle row. Then you can see I put so almost 1.49. so that's the time duration 3.59. so where I put the middle row ads. So when you put that on, you have to make sure something. You need to put, just you can see here is the magnify glass, like you can make it bit bigger and smaller. Make it bigger and have a look first where is the gap of your voice or any music or something. So you need to put the break in that place, because YouTube like to put the ad on the break time, not somebody is talking or somebody's music is on or something going on inside that time. Generally YouTube doesn't create any ads. So make sure where is the gap. So you can see with the magnify glass, so you can make it a bit bigger, and that's how you can put. So I put in the 8 minute 19 second video, I put 4 of the middle ad, but every time I will not get four ads. It should be like maybe on coming, or sometimes 2 coming. Sometimes maybe they will not put any of the ads as well. So that time maybe we will get first ad and last ad. But you can see where I put the ads. So where I put, where is no speak, like the I did not say anything, or it's the gap. Mainly you have to find out the gaps. So where is the gap, you have to fix up your ad that point. So that's how you have more chance to get more ad on your video. So that's how you can earn bit extra money, because as a creator, you know, our main goal, two goals. One is to help the peoples, and also we need to earn the money as well, because we are spending a lot of time to create this kind of videos. So that's the things. Okay, so when you add the all middle row ad as well, so that then this video is still checking, because I already uploaded just little bit time ago, so it's checking, you see, but I'm 100% sure it will not be any issue because my video is it's totally mine and I make everything with myself, so nothing to copyright issue or nothing should come in here. So if you are 100% sure of your video, you can go on by on continuously. Otherwise you can wait to see if anything happen in your video, maybe it's any copyright claim complaint coming or something, so you need to wait bit for that. Okay, then you need to go to next. You can see this picture YouTube put the new way. Okay, so they said we have upload our guidelines to clarify our policies on adult content, violence, then shocking content, harmful content, then sensitive event, drugs, something like that. So they want to make sure what kind of video and what kind of things you are creating. You are saying something bad, or you are using something bad, or whatever is harmful for the kids or not good for the community. They want to make sure what kind of things you are making, so you have to clarify everything in here. So that's, they said like you have to give all the reason and which one is you did, which one not you did. So suppose if you don't make any harmful or dangerous things, so you don't need to worry about any of the things. Okay, so you can see like all they have like the given on by on recreational drug content, you know, like that's the thing. So dishonest behavior or harmful things, that's the things, hateful things, you know, lots of things they are included in here. They want to know wherever they're gonna put the ad, that means you are doing the perfect things and good things. Okay, so you can see one of icon I am clicking on. So you can see under that is lots of things in here, so you can read bit, maybe you then you can understand everything, so you don't need to worry about that. Then maybe if you know like you did not do anything wrong, like suppose whatever is written in here, so you don't need to worry anything of that. Okay, that time you have to go, if you think something is going little bit here and there with you, so then you can select in here. Otherwise you have to you don't need to worry about that. You're gonna come straight away at the bottom. Okay, you can see bottom said none of the above, so that means I always put none of the above because I don't put any hate speech or nothing, so it's not for the anything bad with me, so that's why I put none of the above. And then you can see here it said submit rating. So submit rating means eligible revenue source, where the revenue coming from. Okay, so it's ads, some, then it's like the YouTube premium, you know, then other YouTube revenue like merchandise, something like that. So that's the revenue come from, and they want to make sure you are not doing anything wrong. That's good for everybody, for good for community. Then submit rating. So when you submit the rating, you're gonna see this one is rating safe. So that means I have no issue, nothing. They make like the everything green. Then I need to go to next. Okay, so then go to next. Then you can see the video elements. So video element, first one is add subtitles. If you want to put subtitle, you can add in here. Okay, so if you don't want to put subtitle, forget it. Then add an in skin. So in this skin means like you can add it, just click add, then you have some of the template in here, so you can choose from here, or you can create your own one as well. Okay, so I have the video about this related. You can go to my channel and you can have a get a brief thing. So okay, so suppose I gonna put this one at the end, so I click that on, click here. Then I can choose like whatever video I want. If I want to change, I can change it, or if I want to keep that on, I can keep that on as well. So that's how you can change, modify whatever you want, you can do that in your channel as well. So this one I put is around 4 minutes, so it's maybe 12 second shorter than my video end. Okay, so you can put whatever, not, it's like a 4.7, so it's less than that. Okay, so you can put something like that. Then you're gonna need to go to save. So it's already add, and in this skin already added. Then add cards. So I'm gonna add cards as well. So this video is 4.12 seconds, so that means 4 minutes 12 seconds. So I'm gonna put maybe 2 cards. So I'm gonna press select in here, then plus. Okay, so select plus, then you can go to video then playlist, channel, link, whatever you want, you can put on cart in here. So I'm gonna put on video. Suppose I click video, then I'm gonna choose this one, click this one, and it's already added. Then next one I gonna put suppose in here somewhere. Okay, so then I gonna put again plus, then I gonna go to another video. If you like, you can go whatever you want. So go to then video, then I gonna choose maybe this one, then click this one, then you can see here is already added as well. So that's here you can see it's showing in just in here. So that's how it's the card is added in here, and somebody can go to that link and maybe watch that. Okay, you can save then, that's saved. So all saved in here. Then now we need to go to next. Then you can see the copyright, no issues found. So I don't have any copyright issue, so it said checked. Add subtitle, no issues found, so that means I have no problem about the suitability as well. Add suitability. Okay, so all look like perfect. So now I can go to next. Then you can see the visibility, privacy, private, unlisted, public. So I am going to publish this video right now, so I gonna click publish. Okay, so that's how everyone can watch my video. Okay, I set an instant premiere, so we don't need that one. And another one is said is like the schedule. So if you like to do a schedule for your video, maybe you're gonna put later you want to publish your video, you can put the date and time there. Okay, so right now I gonna publish this one, so I gonna click that on. Then I gonna copy this link and my title as well, because I gonna show you why I copy these things. So that's gonna help to you to boost your video maybe with your friends in social media. Okay, then go to publish. So it's gonna give you the when the published will finish, it's gonna give you the same. You see, like that said video published, so your video already published, so all are good for you. Now they said share a link, so they give Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, then talk, then something else. So that's how you can put your link. Suppose I gonna put in my link in Facebook, click Facebook, because I have the login in my Facebook, so I can easily put in there. So this is my Facebook page. Okay, posting page, you can see here. Then I gonna paste in here. That's why I copy that link and title as well. So that's how my friends and everybody can know this is my things. Okay, so that's how maybe they gonna subscribe or watch the things. So it I can see the tick is paid, so it's coming. I gonna tick my your story, that means this one as well. So that's how it will go to paid and my story as well, then post to Facebook. So it is posting now in Facebook as well. So that's how my parents, family members, everybody can watch, and whatever they want, they can see that. Okay, then if you want, you can put the tweet as well. If you go to tweet, you can make a tweet as well, then you can paste over here. So that's how you can make sure yes, your that one is here, everything is here. Okay, you can write down something if you want. If you don't want, you can tweet from here as well. Okay, so that's how you can tweet, and you can put in the social media platform anywhere you want. Okay, so this was my video for today according to the YouTube new guidelines. So if you believe this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.